Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Hello, my friends. It's Santa here from the North Pole. I've heard that some of you have seen videos of me flying with just a few reindeer. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what those special flights are all about. Before Christmas Eve, I like to take a few trial runs. These are practice flights to make sure everything is working just right. I try out my sleigh, check the harnesses, and make sure the reindeer are in tip-top shape. You may notice that sometimes I fly with only 2 or 3 or 4 reindeer. That doesn't mean the others are missing. It just means we are practicing. Just like athletes take turns training, my reindeer take turns flying too. The rest of the team might be relaxing, eating magic reindeer moss, or getting a checkup from our North Pole veterinarians. We want every reindeer strong and happy when Christmas Eve arrives. Trial runs also help me test my sleigh. I check the runners, the bells, the navigation system, and, of course, the jingle power. You can never have too much jingle power at Christmas. Another reason I practice is the weather. Snowstorms, fog, and strong winds can happen anywhere in the world. My practice flights help me learn the skies each year, so I could deliver presents safely. During these trial runs, I try to be extra quiet. I don't want to wake anyone up. If you do see me in the sky, it's probably only for a moment. Then whoosh, I'm gone again. So if you see a video of me flying with just a few reindeer, don't worry. It isn't Christmas early. It isn't the full team yet. It's just me, Santa, making sure everything is perfect for the big night. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. Keep being kind, keep helping others, and keep believing. Ho ho ho! Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.